Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna unboxing the new model of Tarmac Works, which is Aston Martin DBS Superleggera or Superleggera like that. Okay. And then let's start it. Let's me open it. So first we review this. This is Tarmac Works container box. Actually the box and the design is container, and the container is yellow color. Tarmac Works with collaboration of ISO models. Okay, so now we go to the car. Yes, the Aston Martin. Okay, so firstly you guys can see the badge here. Aston Martin badge. And yes, I think also we can see the logo, Aston Martin logo at the center rings. Okay, and then you guys can see also the DBS logo at here. Okay, yes, the roof is black color, and here the rear Aston Martin DBS. Very nice. The side profile also nice. I love it. Yes, you guys can see the base. The base look nice. Also they got the Tarmac Works logo here, and one of 64 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera made in China. Okay, that's all for today. So we are going to show you the 360 review. Okay, let's go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.